How to use AI to blow up your wholesale business. Guys, it's Rick, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Claude Cowork to actually harvest leads for your wholesale business. I'll show you how you can do anything with absolutely no knowledge and actually takes over your computer. It can actually replace most of your virtual assistants. But before I get into it, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this video with someone who wants to learn the truth about wholesaling. That's right, we're talking about AI. And today's particular video is about Claude. Now, this is the beta version, but I'm specifically talking about Cowork. And this is a paid feature that you have in there. Don't worry, it's only 17 bucks a month. I think it's 200 bucks for the year. And it can do a lot of tasks while you're sleeping. And the most important thing I believe it brings to the table for a wholesaler is it will walk you through complex issues and let you solve it without like losing your mind. You ever get so frustrated with the software you don't want to push the button? It will walk you through, write the code, and show you how to get through any program. So I want to start out by showing you X Leads. Obviously, I know it. And if I knew nothing about X Leads and I just got it, and you don't want to figure the whole thing out, which I strongly advise against, you can actually go in Claude and it will walk you through the entire thing. It will do screenshots. It'll show you which links to click. Honestly, it's some of the best support I've ever seen in my life. It is like having an ear to lean on 24/7. So if you've ever got frustrated with the software, this video is for you because I've been using this on so many complex issues. It's really cool. Now, I am still a novice at this. I am not an expert. I watch videos just like you guys do. And because this is the beta version, I figure I'd just throw it out there and show you how you can use it. What you've got to understand is just the basic functionality and the power of having your computer run for you. This will help you do tasks. You can give it a task before you go to bed, wake up, it'll be ready for you. And once you figure out how to do it, it will save the commands for you and you can set it on a schedule. And it cuts out a lot of redundancies we do in wholesaling. So without further ado, let's get into it. And this one, I'm just going to show you, let's just pretend I got a my X Leads account and I'm going to put it, go into X Leads account, pull a comparable. Let's just say I didn't even know how to do this. So if I'll put in here, pull a comparable. I'll just show you the basic functionality, how it works. And you can replace this with if you have a software and you have access to it. Now it's not going to go into MLS unless you have access to MLS. You can do these exact same type features. Pull a comparable for, I just got a property I recently pulled up. This is not a deal. Please don't bug these people. I just want to know what the valuation is on it. And that's in Kalamazoo, Michigan, 49048. Just a random property, no affiliation with it. And so it's going to go in there and work. Now, what it does while it's thinking, it's going to give me commands so I'm just going to give it a basic command to just pull a comp here. So I'm going to put that in there. And I know most of you know how to pull comps, so I'm just showing you for an example on here. Because now if you watch, it's going to take over my screen and I'm not touching it, hands-free, guys, and it's going to figure out how to pull this comp. Now, this is without me touching it. This is a really cool part. Look, no hands. It's going to put that address in there. The sky's the limit. You can put anything in it. You can use your voice. You can type it in there. And if you see here, it spits it out. And now it's going to click the comp button. No hands, guys, no hands. And we can do the entire report. Now, if I go back to Claude, it's giving me and telling me exactly what it's doing. It's unbelievable, guys. If I had zero experience, I know exactly how to pull a comp without getting zero instructions from X Leads, from Rick, Zach, or anybody on the team. And it will give you more and more. It will ask you if you want to export it or anything like that. I'm just showing if you have a software and you have Claude Cowork, you can make the two work together. Now, here's the key is you have to download it on your desktop, the Claude. Number two, you have to have the paid version. And number three, you have to use Google Chrome and you have to use the Claude Google Chrome extension. Trust me. You have to have them and that entire list for this to work. Now then we have it. Why don't we do this? Want to pull a list for, and I'm just going to put on here, let's just say Montgomery, Alabama, single family, 50% equity, ownership minimum of 5 years, valuation, we'll put less than 150,000, vacant properties inside of X Leads. Now, guys, this is Rick's just mush. I put it in here. So maybe I don't know how to pull a list in X Leads and I'm embarrassed to do it. Now, number one, please don't be shy. Use the X Leads support in your lower right-hand button. Click that button because it's going to do a lot of this stuff. But if I have the paid version, I'm just going to go ahead and click send there and it's going to work on that file. It's going to take what my layman's terms in it and basically figure out how to go through these actions and do it. Now, as it's processing it, you'll see it thinking here. You can switch back over to your Google Chrome and you can look. And why do I do that? Because I can see. So you see this red arrow that's kind of grazed over here? It's going to look, no hands. It's going to go in there and just pull the list for me. Guys, think of all the things you can do with Claude AI. It's nuts. Most of you just use the chat feature. This is the next wave of how AI is coming to you. And I can set skills. I can have it running overnight. You can save the skill and it'll pull in there. So this is doing it while I'm talking. You see on my screen, it's going through and figuring out how to take my instructions, apply it to the software to get the results I desire. So many times we have to hire experts and we got to get consultants. Now we have all this at our fingertip. Here's the crazy part, 24/7, it won't yell at you. The most I pay this thing $17 a month and it works like a dog for me. So if you look on the right-hand side, it's building my filters. Now, I strongly advise you learn how to do this on your own, but I'm telling you guys, this is unbelievable. So the first one, I showed you how to pull a comp with no experience. Number two, I'm showing you how to pull a list, not even know how to get to the filter section, which, by the way, go to XLead's YouTube account. We'll show you how to do all this stuff. Just look up filtering list and it goes, and look, I have a result. It's working on the ownership. And we said, let's see, ownership, 5 years minimum. And now it's putting in the equity filter. I swear to you, I'm not touching this. There's nobody else operating it. You guys can use this too. And you're going to be a little bit slow when you first do it. Rick's not the speediest at this, but like I'm already memorizing tasks so it can run. Now, if you can get into any of your other sites, if you have access to the data like MLS or like code violations, you can have it go in there and put in the layman's terms just like I did on this, and it will spit it out. So now it's running here, and let's go back to Claude and see what it says. And it will tell you, here's everything it did. It's got 2,500 properties. It gives you even a sample of it. It's going to give you a summary of the list. It's asking you if you want to pull it for a CSV file. This is crazy. So I just go back in here, and if I click select, I should see 2509. It's absolutely perfect, guys. The reason I'm showing you, I know there's a basic skill set, but once you have access to a piece of software, you can use AI, Claude Cowork, which is a paid version in beta, and you can get the two to work together. This is extremely valuable if you don't know how to operate a website. So those of you guys struggle with XLeads, this is another level of support. You can do it, or you can use layman terms like you and me use, and it will help you sort through on how to get to that information, how to get to the right tabs, how to click the right button, all that fun stuff that all these computer geeks like blow me away. Thank God I got an IT department. But the reality is you can do this. You don't need a million people. You don't need consultants. You can do the whole thing. Now, let's go outside of XLeads because I could do this all day. And let's just do something like, a lot of times you guys get lists, and the lists are just, oh my God, there's so much information on it. You don't even know what to do with it. So guys, in this section, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Cowork to clean up any CSV file. It doesn't matter which company you get it from, the format. Honestly, most of the lists we have way too much data. And if you ever want to upload it for a direct mail, or if you want to do a skip trace format like an XLeads or any of the other providers, you got to clean your list up. Here's a really cool part. You don't have to be an expert on it. And I want to show you how to use AI, specifically called Cowork, to actually have it do this for you. Now, the first thing you need to do is define what format it needs to be. So if you go over on my screen, I already kind of preloaded this to save us a little bit of time. I have the property template format. So in XLeads, we have 4 simple formats. We have the mailing address, mailing city, mailing state, and mailing zip code. Now, you can add the property address on there if you're doing a mail merge with a direct mail. But guys, I get lists all the time, and they're usually an absolute mess. Some of you guys have a mess in your CRM. Let me show you how you can use Claude to specifically clean any list. You don't have to have any programming experience or anything like that. So I'm going to pull up a list that I recently pulled that it's just, if you look at it, it just goes on and on forever. And although it's great information, but if I'm going to do a mailing, or maybe I just want to do a skip trace or something like that, I mean, look at this information. It's really cool, but to be honest with you, most of you guys, you don't need it. We just need the primary columns. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go inside of Claude. Now, what I did is I uploaded the template that XLeads asks for, which are the 4 columns we talked about earlier. And then I have my really dirty list in here. And now I got to give Claude a command. Now, I don't have any programming experience, to be brutally honest. Take my West Virginia list, that's what W list, and conform it to fit the columns in my attached template CSV file. So what it's going to do is go through and it's going to do this operation for me without me touching it, without my hands touching. And now it's going to go in and it's going to try to do it. Now, I'm kind of doing this live, so it might work, it might not work. I got to find out. Here's the really cool part about Claude AI Cowork is it will keep asking you for more details if it can't do it. It'll give you screenshots. So if you see it on there, it says working, it's running a command. And this does take a little bit of time. But instead of me going through and taking this long drawn out CSV file, trying to delete all the columns, all I got to do is put it in here, tell it what columns I want, and it just saves it. And you can do this over and over. Most of the times when you're looking for duplicates or you're trying to rank your leads, instead of you going into Excel or Google Sheets, you can actually go into AI like Claude Cowork and just have it do it for you without even knowing anything about it. And it's asking you if you want to look at it. So let's take a look and see what we have. Look at this. It took that old crappy CSV file that had, I think it had 26 columns in it, and it cut down to exactly how to match it. In this case, we're trying to match it to our X leads format. We can go from there. Now, it's saying there's no duplicates and only save properties with zip code 34953. So guys, it's like, I know Excel, but honestly, it's actually easier to work in AI than it is to go in and study and learn and take tutorials if you want to do this quickly. And so basically what it did here is it gave me my new list and I just told it, give me the stuff with the 34953 area code. And so guys, what I'm telling you is a lot of you guys struggle with CSV files. I got to tell you, like, this cleans the entire game up. If you want to deal with mail merges, anything like that, any type of data you need to clean up, you would be wise to use AI to go in and sort the data for you. And here's the cool part. If you don't completely understand how to work it, AI will walk you through and actually navigate your screen inside of Cowork. I showed you how you can go in the X leads and easily do that. So guys, one final thing is whatever you can think and imagine inside of Claude Cowork, you can actually do. So I'm going to touch on a topic a lot of you guys really don't do, and it's about practicing your craft. And what I mean specifically is when you're talking to sellers is how do I deal with certain objections that come up? Now, you can hop on a live stream with me or Zach, and that's honestly the best way. But really practicing at home with your family in front of the mirror, in front of mom, dad, friends, family, cousins, nephew, whatever it is the best way to do it. But if you don't have anybody, like I'm showing you my screen right now, can you role play with me a difficult home seller? I'll be the wholesaler. So without going through this whole thing, it'll give you, now what I would do is do the voice command, and you can just role play. I'm just giving you ideas of what you can do inside of Claude Cowork. You can use it for data. You could use it inside your operations, X leads, any of your other accounts, anything you want to pull data and harvest on it. And this one is, I told it to be a difficult home seller, and it'll go through and do the whole thing. What I would suggest is you can hold this down to record. Hey, we drove by your house. Me and my partner have an interest in buying more houses in that neighborhood. Are you open to selling your house? ? And you could just go through it and do the voice part instead of typing it. I don't know, maybe I've been thinking about it at the time. Look, I'll be honest with you, Rick, I'm tired. And we go on. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions so I can learn more about you and your house to give you the best offer I can? And we just go back and forth. Guys, you can build this in there. Also, I don't forget about using the Flip with Rick Chat GPT. It's, in my opinion, one of the best ways to do it. But today we're talking specifically about Claude. I've given you multiple examples. If you see how it goes, and you can go through the whole thing. You can do training. You can have it go into your applications. You can have it go into your software. You can sort out any type of data list you have. And I'm telling you guys, you are only limited by what you think when it comes to AI. Now, a couple of disclosures with Claude. As I said, you have to download the app. You got to put in some plugins, and it's going to run you about $17 a month. The downside is it is somewhat limited. If you try to go in there unlimited, you're going to hit your peak, and they're going to try to hit you up for $200 a month. I don't think we're at that level, but I'm telling you guys, the future is here. Everything you're going to do is going to work in AI, and then it's going to go into the third-party program and do the work. Why? It saves you time. You can do it while you're sleeping. And honestly, it's like having multiple VAs work for you guys. Let me know in the comments, are you going to use Claude Cowork? This is in beta format. It's all brand new, and this is why I'm bringing it to give you some raw stuff, and I want you just to play with it. I would use them all and find out which one towards you gravitate towards, because at some point down the line, we're all going to have to make a decision. So it's going to get really interesting. I believe the competition is going to help everybody out in wholesaling, and it's definitely going to make you a better wholesaler. So let me know in the comments what you're doing with Claude. I would love to learn from you guys. I'm learning just like you guys are, and I'm trying to find tools to make my wholesaling business better. So guys, if you got value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with someone who wants to learn the truth about wholesaling. This is Rick Ginn. I'll see you in the next video.